Hello everyone, I am Punyakirti BL. Welcome to my Python for Generative AI learning series. In this series, we are focusing on Python basics that will help us to build a strong foundation for implementing generative AI concepts. So let's dive in right in and start today's session. So today's topic is Python strings. Let's start with introduction or a question with what is a string? A string in Python is sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. Characters can be letters, numbers, symbols, spaces or even emojis. Strings are widely used for storing and manipulating textual data like names, messages, sentences, etc. So examples, word is equal to hello here, sentence is equal to Python is fun, emoji is equal to AI. So when we check with the differences, word is equal to hello, hello is enclosed in single quote, where sentence is Python is fun, that is enclosed in double quote. Also emoji text is enclosed in double quote. Think of string like a list of characters arranged in order. So declaring strings. Strings can be created using single quotes or double quotes. Both work the same way. For example, let's take this example and run how it will look like. I am going into my code editor. I am taking this. Now model summary is the variable which is assigned with single quote as a but this A model predicts stock trends. I am printing model summary. So when I run, this is A model predicts stock trends. Likewise, prediction message, I am printing that one. That is also prints. This is how strings are created. Best practice, choose one style, single or double, and stay consistent. To display a string, use the print function, which we already did. Print model summary, whatever examples we covered here. Next, we can go with quotes inside the string. Problem: if your strings contains quotes, Python may get confused. For example, text is equal to I am learning Python. See how it will be look like. I am taking this example. Now you are see, I am learning Python. This is first quote, this is end quote. Inside that I am also taking these quotes. That's why it is giving error. Okay, this is the problem. Python thinks the string ends of I itself. After that, whatever string we will get, that will be taken as a new string which is not enclosed in the single quote. So how to solve this? The solution will be using escape with backslash. Okay, same thing. I am printing, taking this code, run here. So after I, before single quote, I am adding slash here. Now if I print the same text, it is printing. Now this will take it as backslash and it is treated as single quote after that one. Use double quotes around the string. So there is another solution how to use double quotes. Now rather than using single quote, now I am using double quotes over it, and when I run, automatically it is turning. There are two solutions using backslash, another using double quotes around the string. Both give the same result. Use whichever is easier to read. Let's start with multi-line strings. Sometimes you need to store long text or paragraphs. In generative AI, we need to store multi-line strings like prompts, which are used to send them for the LLMs to get the response. At that time, these are helpful. So how to store them in Python? Option 1 is triple quotes. So here single triple quotes are enclosed with double quotes. So here I am taking with response example. Let's understand that. See, response is equal to the triple quotes is added and end it is done. So this is multi-line code. When I run, we are getting multi-line. Hello, I am your AI assistant. How can I help you today? Like this, we can store them as a multi-line string as a first option. Let's go with option 2. We can use slash n new line character. So how we are coding to do? See here, text is used multi-line I have to store. After line 1, new line should be started. After line 2, new line should be started. Now everything is in same line, but when I run, printed as new lines, because after line 1 new line character is added. That's why after each slash n new line will be starts. Triple quotes are better for paragraphs while slash n is better for controlled formatting. Then escape sequences. Let's understand. Escape sequences are special symbols starting with slash, used to format strings. Slash n used for new line, slash t tab used for tab space, double slash used for backslash. Let's understand. I have taken new line and all three inputs and I am typing in my print. So okay, print hello world. After hello we have slash n here, that's why hello will be printed as new line character and we will get hello and world in different lines. That is the examples of new line. Next I will use tab space. After name I gave colon and slash t as a tab space. After name it should print space. This is tab space and it is printing Python. Now another example, I'm using path for folder, but whenever I give c slash like this, it will give error because slash will be taken as special symbol. That's why if I add a backslash, what happens, the slash will be read as it is and we can the print the path. This will be helpful when we are reading the path or writing the path in Python. Next, if you need to show a backslash in text, double it up, that's all. So next we can go with long strings, splitting across lines. If your string is too long, you can split it across multiple lines. Okay, option 1, use backslash. How to do? I need to print in a proper format. I am using a new line character or slash. So I assigned here message generative as a revolutionized. So I am adding slash here, the way we create content. When I print here, see generative has revolutionized the way we create here. While assigning, we are splitting that one, but it is assigned as a single statement only. Use triple quotes. I can assign it triple quotes and also we can run. So when I do this, you are able to see multiple lines we are using and it is working. Let's run. Okay. Unicode and emojis. Python strings are UTF-8 encoded, which means they support multiple languages and emojis. Here we have Japanese Hello Python, Russian Hello Python and emoji. How they look, we'll see. The code will be same, but it will allocated with the string. See, Japanese Hello Python is printed. After this, Russian Hello Python is done, and we added a special symbol also, that emoji is fun, that is also printing. So Python strings also support this Unicode. It is great for international apps or adding personality to outputs. Special use case, escape backslash in file paths, that we already know. Windows file path often used to avoid errors. So I am using this path to print that one. So when we remove that path, what happens? It is printing the correct path here by using backslashes. This is the special use case. Use raw strings with R, then automatically it will work on. So if you are not interested to do this one, we can do like this. Path is equal to R. After that, double quotes are opened and we are using the same string. Then we are getting the path as it is. That is special use case. Let's summarize. A string is equal to sequence of characters in quotes. Use single quote or double quotes to declare strings. Handle quotes inside strings with escape or double quotes. Multi-line strings use triple quotes or slash n. Escape sequences slash n, slash t, double slash. Long string can be broken across lines using slash or triple quotes. Python supports Unicode. Use any language plus emojis. Use raw string for file paths. Next topic will be capturing user input with input. Thank you for watching today. watching today's session of the Python for Generative AI learning series. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. The link is in the description. See you in the next session. Thank you.